In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 in a single day online leveraging a brand new system. Hey there, my name's Dylan DeFazio. Welcome to a free training where I'm going to go over how to build your passive income while also making anywhere from 100 to 200 or even more every single day. And all you have to do is copy what's already working for me. Now, what I want to share with you is if you never made money online, you have no idea, how to even make money online, what needs to happen, I want you to pay very close attention to this video because I'm not just going to be, selling you an offer and asking you to join my team. I'm going to walk you through the exact process that I went through in order to not only set up this system, which I've made it super easy. If you actually want to go ahead and copy my system, you can go ahead and do that, and I've made it super simple. But I'm going to walk you through the process. In this video, I'm going to show you live right now, and I'm also going to show you the proof, the results of this campaign. Now, just to break it down for you before we even get started, what I went ahead and did was I found a high converting offer. I created a system or a sales funnel, something where I can send traffic to, where I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to, go chase family and friends or, pitch people on Facebook. I literally set up a system. I went and got some traffic, which just means visitors' eyeballs to my page, and I purchased 100 clicks to this particular offer that I went and set up. Now, I spent just about $40. I'll go over that more into this video. We're going to hop on my screen here in just a minute. But with this system, it allows me to earn from 4 different income streams. And with this one $40 solo ad, we use solo ads. A lot of people say they don't convert, but a lot of people don't know what actually needs to happen to make a sale occur. Right? And that's why I've made this system so easy for people to copy, because as I'm going to show you, it works. If you know how to set them up, it works, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on clicks. So I spent $40. I got one front end sign up, which was an $80 commission. And then on the back end, I received another like 2 or 3 signups. I can't remember exactly, but in total, we made just over $180. And $70 or $80 of that is monthly residual commission. So this can add up very quickly. And the cool thing about this, if you step back and you kind of take a big picture overview of what just happened, I set up a system, right, that allows me to build my email list. Because if you don't know, let me when we hop on my screen here, I'll show you my email list. But the email list allows me to essentially get this traffic that I'm paying for currently. I can get that traffic for free every day by simply writing up a 10-minute email and sending that out to my email list, and it allows me to make money literally at the click of a button. So that is why you want to be building an email list. Now, a lot of people go in debt trying to build their email list because they send these bot clicks that they're going to, or these clicks that they're purchasing, and they send them to offers that don't convert. So you are spending $40 on a solo ad and making $10 or $15 back, right? Whereas that is not what we want to do. We want to spend $40 or $50 on a solo ad, and then we want to earn $100, $200, $300 on that purchase, and then we can actually go and next time, instead of buying 100 clicks, next time we're going to buy 500 clicks, right? And we're going to turn $100 into $600 or $700, right? So you see where I'm coming from, where once you know something converts, you can just go ahead and scale it. So enough of me, jabbering on. We're going to jump onto my screen, and I'm actually going to walk you through the entire system so that you know exactly what's going to be going on if you want to join our team and you want to start making some money. And I'm also going to show you the pudding. I'm going to show you the proof of this solo ad, and I'm going to show you, what kind of results you can see if you follow this exact formula that I've set up It's laid out in 4 simple steps, and it can take you less than an hour to get set up and ready to earn. So let's jump over my screen and I'll walk you through this entire system right now. Alright, so we are on my screen here. What you're looking at right now is the Udemy solo ad page. This is where I actually went and bought my clicks. And where is the page here? This is the landing page that I sent them to. So if you guys want to join our team, all you got to do is click the link in the description below. That will send you over to this exact page, and then you're going to follow the steps that I'm going to go through in this video to actually set up your own system, okay? So what we went ahead and did here is I'm going to take you over to my ClickFunnels page. This ClickFunnels page right here is what we use to build the system. Now, if I go a little bit quickly for you guys, make sure just rewind this video, watch it a couple times, because what I'm going to share with you, at any point in time in this video, you can receive a golden nugget and you'll be like, okay, I understand how this automation thing works, because that's the name of the game. You want to be able to automate your life as possible. I don't want to be on Facebook or on the phone talking to people 24 hours a day. I want to be able to spend $100 on clicks and make 600, okay? I want to do this over and over and over again. So what we've done is, using this ClickFunnels platform, is I've set up this system. So the system is 2 steps, 2 pages. Step number 1, we're going to send traffic to this page. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get traffic. It's really, really simple. We're going to send traffic to this page. It's converting at about 50%. So if we go over to these stats here and we look at this page, I did a split test. So this one is this page that I had one with a video, but this page right here is converting at about 41%. So the next solo ad that I do, I'm going to set up another page and I'm going to continue to test this and find the best converting page. But for right now, this page right here is converting very, very well. So what's going to happen is people are going to come here, they're going to enter in their email, and then they're going to be redirected over to this page. Now this page is very simple. It consists of 5 videos, which I'm going to break down for you here in just a moment. But right at the start, we want them to join our Facebook group. Now this is where I have my free training. I'm going to be posting a video on how to get some traffic from Facebook and tons of other free value. And you're also going to get access to, if you have any questions, you can just post inside of that group and you'll get them answered a lot faster than if you were to just try and private message me or something like that. So what's going to happen is step number 1 is just going to be the system overview. This is just a simple video where I'm going to go, as you see on the whiteboard here, this is just me breaking down the video, breaking down the system of how much money you could actually earn, or you could potentially earn with this system if you go ahead and follow these 4 steps. So step number 1 is the income multiplier. Now, what I want you guys to understand is every single step is also an income stream. Alright, so what's going to happen is in step number 2, right, I'm going to show you how to set up a ClickFunnels account, which, if you remember, that's what we use to build this system. Alright, so I'm actually going to give you, I'm going to give you this landing page, and I'm going to give you this sales page. You're going to get all the videos, all the sales copy. You're going to get a page that looks exactly like mine. And you're going to be able to plug in your affiliate links, right? You see where it says make sure to add your affiliate links to earn, right? I'm actually going to give you this system so that you can make money just like I did with this system. Now, if we go over to our MCA account, which is our income multiplier, as you see here, I have 4 active members. When I sent my solo ad out, I had a total of 7 members and 2 of them were active. So I earned 2 $80 commissions from my 1 solo ad that I went out and purchased to this system. And I also earned, if we go over to my ClickFunnels account, as you see here, currently trialing, I have 2 new members, which is a total of $77. So if we add up, 80 times 2 equals 160 plus 77.6, right? So we made $237 from a $40 solo ad. And if we go over here, we see this solo ad. I'm just going to pop it up here. So this is the solo ad that I purchased. And if we actually go over to this vendor, this is the vendor that I purchased from. If you guys want to check him out, he did 24 clicks over deliver, and the solo ad was super quick. It was accepted the next morning, and it was done within 20 or 30 minutes. Like, he was super quick. His list is over like 200,000 members, but for me to buy 200 clicks, it was total of $50. So that's $50 Canadian. So as you guys see here, with this system, we were able to earn that $237. So let me just skip back over here. So that's step number one. Okay, step number one is going to be where we're going to earn those $80 commissions. That's what's going to allow us to recuperate our ad cost, right? If I go out there and spend $40 on traffic, and even if only one person signs up, right, that's an $80 commissions, and I'm still in profit $40. So then when I get paid out, I can go ahead and buy another solo ad, right? I can do the same thing over and over again, and I'm going to get those results. But maybe I'll buy from a different person this time, and maybe this person's traffic got me 2 sales, whereas the other person's traffic only got me 1 sale, right? So you see where you want to test everything, and you want to make sure that you don't just rely on one person. That's the cool thing about Udemy. You're able to pick from tons of different vendors. If we just go over here, just to the find sellers, these are all people in the next 24 hours. So, we have 2 members here, and if we just go to the next 7 days, right? So you have lots of people that you can choose from, and that's the cool thing about Udemy. So that's it for step number 1. I know I went off on a little rant there, but I just want you guys to understand the potential, right? I showed you guys the proof. You can get those Motor Club of America signups, those $80 commissions. You can get those ClickFunnels trials where you're going to be earning that monthly residual commission, right? That's step number 2. So step number 2, what's going to happen is when you click this big green button, you're going to get a system sent to your ClickFunnels account, and it's going to be loaded in automatically. So I'm just going to open this up and show you. So if you click that button and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, right, what's going to happen is you're going to get sent over to a page that looks like this. Now, this is going to allow you to copy my system. So if we scroll down here, you're going to get the capture page, you're going to get the sales page, and then I'm also going to show you how to set up emails and get traffic. So you're just going to copy that system. You literally get a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. So you can go out there within 14 days. You can go out there, set up this system, buy your first solo ad, and see your first MCA sale, and even potentially have your first payout with Motor Club of America, as they do withdrawal every single week. So with this system, very, very cool, very easy to set up. Step number 2 in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So step number 3, this is where we're going to be building our email list, all right? Because what's going to happen, let me just go back over. What's going to happen is we're going to buy traffic from Udemy, right? We're going to spend, 40 cents on a click. They're going to get sent over to this page right here, enter in their email, and then they're going to get put on our email list, okay? So as you guys see here, I've built my subscriber base here pretty well over the last little while, but every single day to all of my different lists, I send out emails on a regular basis. So as you guys see here, there's, if we open up 50 emails, I've been sending out tons and tons of emails all across the board, and this is just one of my lists. So if we open this up, I have tons of different lists. I think I have over 25 different lists active, but that's what you can see. Don't get overwhelmed, see the potential, right? You can use this to literally print money for you as you're building your email list, which you can go out and send a broadcast to at any point in time. So with this system, let me just jump back over here. So in step number 3, I'm actually going to give you all of my emails. So all you got to do is plug this code in, and you're going to get all of my follow-up series, which I'm going to show you right now. So I've loaded in 8 emails that you're going to get access to, and you're going to be able to just plug those into your autoresponder, and everything's done. You just plug in your affiliate links, and you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about writing emails or anything like that. It's all done. It's all ready to go. Now that we have that all set up, right, we went through, we set up our Motor Club of America account, we copied our system and, you know, plugged in all of our affiliate links, and we plugged in our done for you email follow-up sequence. Now all we have to do is get traffic, okay? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Udemy platform. And if you've never sent a solo ad out, I'm just going to jump back here. I do have a solo ad swipe, so all you have to do is click this button, and you can have a pre-done email which you can use to send out on Udemy to start getting your first couple sales in. So like I said, everything is done. It's super easy, and anybody, literally anybody, can go through, follow these 4 steps, and start making money. So all you need to do now is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and then go down to that link and set up your system. Once you've set up your system and you have your first solo ad, let me know in the comment section below or inside of the Facebook group your results. I want other people to see that if you follow the simple steps and you take action, that you will see results. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. This is how to earn over $200 in a single day online, and literally, like I said, anybody can do it. So go ahead, click the link below this video, get your system set up, and if you have any questions, click this big blue button on the other page and join the 6-Figure Marketers Club. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Dylan DeFazio, and I'll see you guys in the next training.